How to delete a deactivated Instagram account. So your Instagram account has been deactivated, or maybe you deactivated it yourself and now you're trying to delete it completely instead of just deactivating it. Well, to delete it completely, first of all, reactivate your account. So to reactivate your account after deactivation, just try to log into that same account using the same credentials and your account will be reactivated, because deactivation is only temporary, right? Once your account now has been reinstated or reactivated, now you can proceed to deleting your account permanently if that's what you want. Come to your profile page, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side followed by Account Center, and from here you can go to the option called Personal Details and go to Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, select your Instagram account, but this time instead of deactivate account, select the option called Delete Your Account, which is permanent. And after you've done that, tap the Continue button, and here you can see your Instagram, all of this information will be deleted. So tap the Continue button again, and here you can just go ahead and select any of the reason, tap on Continue, and lastly you can just go ahead and tap on the delete option or the continue deletion option, so you can see everything that will be permanently deleted. So you can also export it. Instagram will keep on giving you warnings. Tap the continue option, and finally just enter your password and tap the continue button to delete it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.